Vayu drives his tractor, rolling through the farm. Sun is shining bright today, weather sweet and calm. Chug chug goes the tractor, rolling nice and slow. Plucking fruits with happy hands, watch the trolley grow. Guava trees are swinging, Vayu picks them fast. Green and fresh and juicy ones, puts them in the basket last. Apple red and shiny, hanging on the tree. Vayu jumps and laughs and says, these are just for me. Chikoo soft and yummy, brown and round and sweet. Vayu gently picks them up, careful with his feet. Chug chug goes the tractor, loaded high, oh wow. Full of guava, apple, chikoo, let's go home now. Fruits for friends and family, sharing joy and cheer. Vayu and his tractor say, see you again next year.